Hey everyone, this is Singh from Gossip Funda, and today we are going to talk about Ubuntu Task Manager. It's a prevalent mystery among the Ubuntu learner. Do Ubuntu have a task manager? Yes. How do we open its task manager? Or where do we locate the Ubuntu task manager? Today we'll demonstrate how to install slash uninstall and drive the Ubuntu task manager both through the command line and the Ubuntu GUI, graphical user interface. What is Ubuntu Task Manager? Task Manager is so-called Ubuntu System Monitor, already built in Ubuntu. It has the power to monitor or revoke any running process or applications in your Ubuntu/Linux OS. Assigned Ctrl+alt+del for Ubuntu. If you wish, you can modify the settings of the key by following the steps. From the system settings, open Keyboard Utility. Click the plus icon to attach a shortcut to do this. Go to Shortcuts tab, Custom Shortcuts. Type name Task Manager. Command gnome-system-monitor. Next, click on Disable and press Ctrl+Alt. Dialog box opens with statement. The shortcut key is already used for log out. Now click Reassign. Now the shortcut key Ctrl+Alt+Delete will open GNOME System Monitor. Ubuntu Task Manager. Like in Windows, users can create, resume, stop, and manage the load of the process. We are using the built-in Ubuntu called GNOME System Monitor. By default, this comes along with Ubuntu. Gossip Funda explains here how to install, uninstall, and launch the Ubuntu Task Manager both through the command line and the Ubuntu graphical user interface. Installation of GNOME System Monitor using command line. Open your Ubuntu clone by using the Ctrl+Alt+T shortcut. Enter the $sign sudo apt-get update to obtain the list of available packages. This command will allow the user to connect with the internet, which the system is updated with the latest software version of Ubuntu. Now the system will request the user for password because solely the authorized user can update, delete, or configure the software. $sudo apt-get update install GNOME System Monitor is a command to install the GNOME System Monitor. The system prompts for yes/no to continue the installation. If the user hits Y, then the installation process will commence. Uninstall the system manager. We can install the system manager by using the following command. This will also allow the user to make a choice of yes or no while uninstalling the program. Launching the system monitor using command line on UI. The launch of the system monitor on UI is triggered by following command $gnome system monitor with the help of Ctrl+C, and by typing exit, we can close the application. Installation of GNOME System Monitor using UI. If the user finds the process tedious to install System Monitor using command line options, click on the Ubuntu desktop and toolbar. Click the Ubuntu software icon. Type System Monitor or Task Manager at the search bar. After that, the searcher's outcome will reveal you the GNOME System Monitor in the entries list. After clicking on the GNOME System Monitor entry, following dialog box pops up on the screen. The above dialog box has options like launch, remove, and permissions. Launch will proceed to installation and remove will stop the launch. If you want to know more about Ubuntu Task Manager, please check out our Gossip Funda blog, link in the description. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe and share.